Hey guys, welcome to Protocol Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we're gonna learn how to implement a hover effect in your Flutter application. Okay, so as you can see, I have created a simple app just for an intro of this tutorial. So now when I move this mouse pointer to this container, so you can see there is the animation effect with the color change to this container when I hover the mouse to this container. So now when I move this mouse outside the container, so as you can see, the container came back to its position with the color change effect. Okay, so let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so now we are in our Android Studio. I have already created a new Flutter project by name Flutter for example. And in the main.dart file, I have removed all the default code given by Flutter team. And for now, it simply has a container, empty container. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let's take this container to the center of our app screen, mobile screen. Okay, so let's give a height to this container as 50 dp and width of 200 dp. Okay, and let's give a color we can give as red. Okay, so let's run the app. Okay, so as you can see, here is a container. So let's give a child widget to this container as a text widget. So I will just enter. Okay, and then just wrap it this text widget to the center widget. Okay, okay, so our container is ready. So now whenever the user hovers over this container, there need to be some animation with the color change. So let's implement it. So to achieve it, let's create a stateful widget, a dart file, and name it as on hover. Okay, so now here import material dot dart and create a stateful widget by name on hover. Okay, so now let's create a widget. Okay, so let's create a widget over here. Widget function. This function will accept a boolean type variable is hover and just make use of a builder. Let's name it as builder. Okay, so now we need to initialize it in our hover constructor. So here this dot builder and make it as required. Okay, so the builder is required property of this class, this hover dot dart file. Okay, so now here let's create a variable hover is hovered is equal to false. Let's set it to false, and then here let's create a method on entered, and this accepts a boolean type variable is hovered. Okay, and now here by making use of set state, this dot hover this dot is hover is equal to is hovered. Okay, so now we must make use of this method over here. So here in a container I will just remove it, and in place of it I will make use of mouse region. Okay, so if you see in the mouse region, so there are various properties that we can use. So in this tutorial we are making use of on entry, on exit. Okay, on entry, let's call our method that is on entered, and here we need to pass as true. And the same thing when the user move out of the hover region, means the mouse region, on exit we must pass false. Okay, so now what is happening is whenever the user enter this mouse region, this method will be called with this boolean type variable, true or false. And depending on this, the hover variable gets changed. Okay, so now let's create the animation effects. So let's create some variables. Final hovered is equal to matrix 4 dot identity dot translate. So here we need to pass from where we need to translate 10 comma 0. Okay, so this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So we need to move the container slightly up when the user hovers over the container. So we are just moving it to minus 10 degree. Okay, and now let's create a final transform, and here we will just attach it to our hover. Okay, so now we can make use of this transformer in this mouse region. So here we will just create a animated container. So here there is a mandatory property that we need to use, that is duration, and set the duration millisecond 200 or 300 we can do. Okay, and just attach the transform that we have created, transform, and the child widget. In child widget we need to pass our widget dot builder is hovered. Okay, so here we are just passing the builder from our main dot dart. So as you can, we need to pass it now. Okay, so let's do it. So let's move to main dot dart file, and from here just wrap this container with our widget, that is on hover. Okay, so this on hover will, we need to pass a builder is hovered. Okay, so in this builder we need to pass our container. Just cut it from here and pass it over here by making use of return. Okay, so let's restart the app. Let's check if it is working or no. Okay, so our app is running. So let's check if it is working or no. So I'm just hovering. So there is no changes. Okay, so let's check on hover. Okay, fine. Here is hovered. Then do this hovering effect. Else matrix identity. Okay, so now let's restart. So and let's check if it is working. So you can see there is a animation effect when I hover the mouse. Okay, so let one more thing is remaining, that we need to change the color of this container when I hover. Okay, so for that, over here after builder, here let's initialize a variable color is equal to is hovered. If hovered is true, then change the color to orange. Else change the color to back to red. Okay, and you need to use this color in this container. Okay, so let's restart our app. Let's check. So I'm just hovering, so you can see the color gets changed to orange. So when I come out of this container, so you can see it is coming back to the position. Okay, so now let's add one more feature. So let's add a elevation to this container. So for that, just we will just wrap the container with physical model. Okay, so in this physical model we can make use of color, and we will just set it the color as white. Okay, so and the main thing is elevation. So in elevation we will make use of hover, and if it is hovered, then we will set the elevation to 16, and if it is not hovered, means if the hovered is false, then we will set the elevation to 0. So let's run the app again. So as you can see, so there is no elevation to this, as you can see. So now when I hover the mouse, so you can see the elevation effects. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to implement hover effect in Flutter. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point. Thank you.